Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 28 of Treasure Trovember, our mixed media collage challenge where we add one item a day each day throughout the month of November. After today, we've only got 2 days left, so I hope you're getting excited. I hope you are proud of the progress you have made showing up so far 28 days in a row. I hope you're having a blast. I am enjoying seeing what you're creating, and it just makes me so happy. Makes me so happy that this challenge has been embraced by so many people and that we're in our 6th year. If you just happened upon this video because YouTube does that and you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, there is a link down below to the welcome video that explains the entire challenge, and then you can watch all the prompts and you can do it at your own pace or whenever you find this. That would be great. Anyhow, so today is day 28. Before we get to the prompt, I want to say today is Black Friday, and I have a very, very special offer for you. I will put a link in the description. I have a brand new year-long class that starts in January, and a very special offer on that for Black Friday, and you can check out all the details. But if you are enjoying Treasure Trovember and you want a little mixed media in your life throughout the entire 2026, I think you should absolutely check out the offer because it is going to be amazing, and it's going to be a really, really good deal for you. So enough of the sales pitch. I'll post more information about it later, but I'll give you the heads up if you're one of those people that is watching this video like when I'm sound asleep in the middle of the night, that there is a Black Friday deal on the new year-long mixed media class coming here from Collage-Lab. So day 28, our prompt is add a blob. Add a blob. Interpret that however you would like to. Add a blob to your collage, and then come back here tomorrow for day 29.